Hey everybody, how you all doing? Peter Carvell here, and over the last couple of months I've had a lot of people asking me, Peter, can you show us some really effective home cardio exercises? And that's exactly what I'm going to do in today's video. I'm going to show you 9 bodyweight cardio exercises you can do right there at home. 3 beginner exercises, 3 intermediate, and 3 advanced. And then at the end of today's video, guys, I'm going to provide you with a simple but extremely effective home cardio workout structure so that you can simply take any of these 9 exercises, plug it into that workout structure, and get a great workout. But let's get started by looking at these 9 exercises. So there you go, guys. Some of them you already know, some of them are really easy and beginner, and some of them are more advanced. But the truth is, there are thousands of cardio exercises you can do at home, but these 9 bodyweight ones are a great place to start at. So how do you now take these exercises and turn them into an actual home cardio workout? Well, one of the easiest ways is to simply use some form of high-intensity interval training. And what I want to give you right now is a PDF that you can go and download over at sixpackactory.com/cardio, where I actually show you one of my most favorite yet extremely simple and effective home cardio workouts. And you will be able to take any one of these exercises, plug it into that workout structure, and turn it into an effective home cardio workout. And once again, you can go and download that free of charge, no opt-ins, no nonsense, at sixpackactory.com/cardio. So there you go, guys. Let me know in the comments box which of these cardio exercises you like, which you hate, and what is your favorite home cardio exercises. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, please click on the like button. Please subscribe, switch on that bell notification, and don't forget to share this with anybody who you know are looking for effective home cardio exercises. Until next time, guys, have fun out there and keep it simple. Bye-bye.